Hello, my name is Bill Hall, and my company is HOLOSCAPE, and we're the U.S. distributors for this product called Muxwave, LED screen that has transparency. No electronics behind it, no structure behind it. Basically, there's two forms of the product. One of them is, this is the back side of the product actually. So this is actually a glass panel here, and the Muxwave product is actually a mesh with the LEDs mounted on the mesh. So this is our glue-on glass product where there's a transparent adhesive sheet. It's actually mounted, affixed to the back of to the mesh, and it's basically installed onto glass like wallpaper. And on the back side, you can't even tell that it's on. It looks like tinted glass, but you can see the transparency through it. There's another version of this, which is within a frame where the structure isn't mounted on glass, it's actually suspended within a frame. So we're talking about two different pixel pitches. One of them is 3.91 millimeters of pixel pitch, and the other is 6.25 millimeters of pixel pitch. So they're basically two panels that are matched together where the electronics are tied into the panels on the top and on the bottom. Wherein in this case, you have a half panel. This is basically the length of a 1/4 meter wide by 1.2 meters for this particular pixel pitch. And this is a panel, so the electronics are down here in the bottom. Whereas with the wall over here, there's another one that's mated up to the top of this where the electronics are in the top. So in an architectural environment like a permanent installation, you'd make considerations about being able to place and hide, conceal the electronics within coves above and below the screen. So basically all you're seeing is nothing but display. 4,000 nits maximum brightness. Each one of these pixels can be independently replaced. They're extremely robust. This is actually running at 70% right now. So at its brightest, it's easily able to compete with broad daylight. These are able to bend, so you can actually do walls with curves, and it's trimmable, so you can trim in curves, trim straight lines, basically anything, any pixel that's in straight line from the electronics box will work, so you can basically trim it to fit custom size or custom shape pieces. This right here is a prototype. This is 2.5 millimeter pixel pitch. This is in development right now, but they were able to bring the prototype out. And this is probably an 1/8 of a meter in width. All of the electronics boxes are daisy chained with their power and their data. They're driven with the color light controller, but Novastar can drive the systems as well. And our email address or our website is www.holoscapeled.com, and we invite you to take a look. We can do demos. There's nothing like seeing it in person, and we invite you to come out, or we can come to you and do a demonstration for you, and it really gets the wheels spinning as far as all the things that this thing could do.